Hello guys, I hope you are staying safe and healthy. This chapter is all about fixing the air condition to our restored highest. The AC works as usually. We are visiting Buddhigaya space. We are situated in beautiful area. So at the end of the video, I'll provide his contact information for your inquiries. Since we have fixed the power steering earlier, now there is no space for the AC compressor on the right hand side on top of the alternator where it usually comes. So we have decided to fix it the compressor left hand side on top of the injector pump. This is the cooler unit we are going to fix. I'll describe what the cooler unit is next. This switch will control the airflow and there's a LED indicator. And this one will be control the temperature, so you can adjust it according. I will explain with this diagram. So you can see there's a red box, so that's the component I have shown earlier. So all these component comes inside that, so you can adjust the airflow and the temperature, and the blower is also including that unit. As you can see, this is the compressor and the line did not attach yet, and cooler has been fixed, and you can see the outgoing line and in line. So when it comes to below, here is a condenser including the fan, and we have fixed the filter in front of that. What I have shown described in this red box, so you can understand that now all the components have been fixed. Now we have to complete the lines and pressure. Before fill with the AC gas, we must check if there are any leaks in the lines before apply the pressure. Our friend Sanju will check the pressure. Now AC compressor in action and doing its work while we are checking. Now the AC gas and all other parts are in order and working properly. Now you can see the drain water from the red line. And let's go inside and see. So now all are working. You can see the LED light is glowing, which means AC is working. So just went for a test drive. Since we use a smaller compressor, so there's no issue with the cooling power and charging those aspects. So it's working smoothly and cool is there also.